Today I'm gonna talk about we must look at the celebration of Eid al-Fitr of Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to my all brothers and sisters. As you know, the blessed month Ramadan is going on and some days are remaining for celebration of Eid al-Fitr. Before our celebration of Eid al-Fitr, we must look at the celebration of Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. In the era of Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu, on the day of celebration of Eid al-Fitr, all the people have worn new clothes and they are enjoying by the celebration. But Umar ibn Khattab radiyallahu anhu has prostrated at his home, weeping and crying until his voice was heard out of home. So people gathered to him and asked, "Oh Umar, what is reason? This is the day of celebration. All the people are enjoying, but you are weeping and crying." He replied, "Hada yawmul Eid wal wa'id." This is the day of celebration and the day of torment. Whose deeds will be accepted, this day will be for him as a day of celebration, and whose deeds will be rejected, this day will be for him as a day of torment. So think, he is Caliph whom Prophet ﷺ has granted the certificate of paradise in the world, but he is worried about his deeds. But we are sinful persons. We are not worried about our deeds. We are enjoying on the day of celebration. We are spending extravagantly. So before celebration of Eid al-Fitr, we must pray how much we can for accepting our deeds, and we must give the charity of fitrah, because the charity of fitrah is atonement of our shortcomings. May Allah protect us. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.